Welcome to the Austin Board of Realtors Global Mastermind Microeducation Series, where you can start carving out your niche in international real estate today. Next up, honing your competitive edge with technology.
Welcome back to Harnessing Global Expertise, Creating Your Dream Team. We're diving into part 3, Embrace Technology. This tip is crucial for real estate agents looking to expand into the global business of international real estate. Let's jump right in.
Yep, let's jump right in. There are so many ways to leverage technology when building out your international dream team, and today we only have time to mention a limited few. Technology has revolutionized how we connect and collaborate with professionals worldwide. One key aspect is using digital platforms to foster relationships and expand our network beyond geographical boundaries.
For example, leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn allows us to find and connect with like-minded professionals, potential clients, and strategic partners across the globe. It's about using technology to build meaningful relationships and tap into new opportunities.
And what about attending webinars, joining online forums like Facebook groups dedicated to your niche, or maybe even creating one? Invest your time, energy, and money in tools that build your expertise and streamline your international presence online. You can learn a language online, right? You can even take our course online, wink, wink. Don't underestimate the power of training and upskilling yourself and your team to leverage technology effectively through landing pages, online advertising, and much more.
Additionally, tools such as project management software and virtual communication platforms enable seamless collaboration with international team members and partners. This enhances productivity and ensures everyone is aligned toward the same common goal.
By embracing technology, we can create a dynamic and efficient international dream team that leverages the expertise and resources of professionals from diverse backgrounds. It's about harnessing the power of technology to strengthen our networks and achieve greater success in the global real estate market.
One great example of technology that we like to lean into is leveraging video conferencing for clients' consultations and property viewings in real time, alongside your international agent referral partners. This not only saves time and resources, but also allows us to provide personalized and immersive experience to clients and stay firmly in the mix no matter where they are in the world. It also allows us to continually evaluate if our international partners are servicing our clients in the level at which we expect them to. It's about using technology to bridge distances and build trust with our international clientele.
Embracing technology isn't just about staying competitive. It's about delivering exceptional value and experiences to our clients. By embracing technology, we can all unlock new opportunities, reach wider audiences, and elevate our services to a global level.
These are just a few of the many examples of how you can embrace technology when building your global dream team. We hope you've taken away a few good nuggets from this series. For more on our course, Building Your New Reality Global Edition, which walks you through the steps of how to launch into global real estate, building block by building block, please visit globalgirlscollaboration.com.
Until we meet again in some fabulous airport lounge somewhere in the world, we'd like to thank you for joining us.
And remember, don't just be global, do global.
Thank you for joining the Austin Board of Realtors Global Mastermind Series, where you can start carving out your niche in international real estate today. Stay tuned for more microeducation powered by the Austin Board of Realtors Global Business Alliance.